Don't get me wrong, I love Apple. The sound of a fan as I try to record into Adobe Audition. Reassuringly expensive devices. But it's time to go to the other side.
So how much money do you need to kind of make it a viable thing now?
I don't know, £2,000 would make me comfortable.
No, not comfortable, viable.
I could probably build a really good PC for just under £1,000.
So just tell me, do you want it now? I didn't hear it.
Yes.
Have you seen a big pile of soil in front of our house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So if you shift it within the next 24 hours into those beautiful veg boxes that I've prepared, I'm going to give you £1,000 to spend on whatever the heck you need there.
Join me on my journey as I create the ultimate audio creation PC. Yeah. I'll learn about motherboards, RAM, CPUs, and everything else you need to create the perfect audio creator's dream.